The Walmart title formula top sellers use to rank and sell more. And you can see right here on Walmart, our client just made $3,000 in the last week. So it's pretty solid that this method works. And what we want to first look at is a bad title. So you can see this Hello Kitty right here. And the title is just way too long. It's keyword stuffed and it will not generate sales on Walmart. And that's because Walmart's algorithm is so specific, completely different than Amazon's. So here is a bad title. And now if we go up here, we can look at a good title. So let's scroll up and here's a good one. So you can see how short it is. And this one is a bestseller. It's a bestseller for a reason, is because Walmart loves short titles. Short, sweet, concise, right? So we can, again, look at the different titles, how short this one is, and then how long and keyword stuffed it is to see the difference in those. Now we can actually check Walmart's website on the marketplace, and they do have training, and you can see an example of a good title and a bad title. Again, here's an example of a good title: Acme work boots for men, like super specific, steel toe, slip and puncture resistant, waterproof. Beautiful, right? And then another one is a bad listing. Now, when you first look at this, you're like, oh, it's not that bad. But then you want to actually see men's casual disc golf camp active fashion bachelor. So it's just keyword stuff, just like the bad one I showed you. Keyword stuffing might work on Amazon, but it will not work on Walmart. It's actually going to hurt you big time. So short is the way to go. So again, it says right here, select one or two primary keywords to use once in your product title. Provide words that are unique, use engaging text, right? So again, and then this one has excessively long titles, keywords that are not relevant, things like that. So it does not want keyword stuffing for this. So if we were to redo this title, it's going to be super easy for us. You can see right here that this is the title. And then the new title that I wrote is I just did, okay, Sanrio is the brand name. So I did Sanrio Hello Kitty plush, super simple. And the color's pink and it comes with a strawberry. So pink strawberry, 8 inches. This is going to outperform and push you to page 1 much faster than this. And that's just Walmart's algorithm. I know it just doesn't make sense sometimes, but this is literally how Walmart works. Don't treat Walmart like Amazon in every aspect. But if you are still stuck and you're like, okay, I still don't get it. How do I know if my title is good? Once you implement your new title or even your current title, you're going to go to Walmart, right? Log in, go into here, go into the growth tab, go into the listing quality section. You're going to see all of your listings and it's going to tell you what your listing quality score is of your title, right? So you can see there's going to be a button right here, action. It's going to see issues on your listing. And it's going to give you a quality score on your title. 100% means perfect. 0% means it's the worst ever. And you're going to notice it's at like a 50%. So you want to get that to 100% as quickly as possible, because the ones that are 100% are making so much more sales. Excellent is pretty much any listing that has an 81% score or higher. So they actually do have a score rating for you. And that's what's going to help you win on Walmart. So that's the breakdown, and super simple, super sweet. Make sure you understand this video, you go through it, you optimize your titles. You might not see a difference within 2 days, but within 7 days, you'll notice that all of a sudden, Walmart notices your new title and you start generating more sales. That's just how it works. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales anything mentioned in this video or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. One of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. We'll manage your account, make sure your listings are optimized, and get you to at least $3,000 a week on Walmart. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.